Once, an elderly doctor mentioned a mixture he couldn't go a night without. Surprised, I asked, "Really? Is it that effective? Can you tell me more about its benefits?" He gladly shared the details, so I took out my notebook and jotted everything down. At first, I was a bit skeptical, maybe even dismissive, but after some research, trying it out and consulting with others, I realized that this mixture truly is a health miracle, addressing more than just one issue. Stay with me, my friend. I'm about to reveal all the secrets behind this remarkable remedy. Let's start with something essential: supporting joint flexibility. As we move through life, keeping our joints flexible becomes vital for staying active and independent, whether it's for big movements or just the everyday tasks we rely on. Joint stiffness, especially in the knees, wrists, and fingers, often sneaks up on us with age, turning simple movements into a challenge. Now, imagine a natural remedy right in your kitchen: a combination of bananas, honey, and cinnamon. Bananas are packed with potassium and magnesium, which work wonders in relaxing muscles and easing cramps. Adding honey, known for its anti-inflammatory powers, and cinnamon, which has unique compounds that help ease stiffness, turns this mixture into a gentle yet powerful aid for joint health. Think of it as a gradual yet effective way to encourage flexibility in your joints. To make this a part of your daily routine, mash one ripe banana with a teaspoon of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Consuming this in the morning or as a midday treat can help ease discomfort over time, giving you a natural, supportive approach to keeping those joints moving with greater comfort. And now we move to how this blend can aid in reducing uric acid. If high uric acid levels have you dealing with painful swelling, often manifesting as gout in the big toe or ankle, this mix may be just what you need. Uric acid buildup creates sharp discomfort, but bananas, with their potassium content, assist the kidneys in flushing out excess sodium, which can help regulate uric acid levels. Honey's gentle detoxifying properties and cinnamon's known effects on uric acid make this blend a supportive option. To feel these benefits, try mashing one banana, add a teaspoon of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Taking it in the morning and evening may help ease joint discomfort and aid in managing uric acid levels. Bringing comfort day and night promotes nerve health. Maintaining healthy nerves is vital for everything from movement to mental clarity. And as we age, nerve health can sometimes feel like it's slipping. Bananas are packed with B vitamins, especially B6, which play a crucial role in supporting nerve function and maintaining calmness. Pairing banana with honey, which is full of natural antioxidants, creates a mix that can help protect nerves from oxidative stress. Cinnamon adds anti-inflammatory benefits that help keep nerve pathways open and functioning smoothly. For a nightly nerve boost, try enjoying a spoonful of this mixture about an hour before bed. To make, mash one ripe banana, mix in a teaspoon of honey and a dash of cinnamon, and enjoy the calm that follows. Over time, this simple addition may support better focus, calm, and a greater sense of mental clarity, adding a moment of relaxation and balance to your day. Supports eye health. With each passing year, our vision often needs a bit more care. Bananas, rich in vitamin A, contribute to protecting the retina and reducing the risk of age-related eye issues. Honey, on the other hand, brings in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress on delicate eye cells, while cinnamon enhances blood flow, ensuring that essential nutrients reach the eyes. This combination acts as a gentle supporter of vision health, especially valuable as the years go by. For best results, try enjoying this blend at breakfast or as a light, energizing snack. Mashing a banana with honey and a pinch of cinnamon allows you to take in essential nutrients that can support and nourish the eyes. Imagine each spoonful as a small, consistent investment in your eyesight, helping you maintain clarity and brightness as you continue to enjoy the world around you. Balances. Hormones. Naturally, hormone balance is a crucial part of feeling grounded and energized, especially as we get older. Fluctuating hormones can affect everything from energy to mood and even our sleep patterns. Now, the humble blend of bananas, honey, and cinnamon can play a supporting role here. Bananas contain vitamin B6, which is essential for hormone regulation, while honey has been traditionally used for its stabilizing effects on cortisol, the stress hormone. Cinnamon, in turn, has properties that support balanced insulin levels, which is key for maintaining steady energy. Picture this as a calming, stabilizing blend that works to support you from within. For a natural boost to hormonal balance, consider adding this blend to your evening routine. Try mashing half a banana with a teaspoon of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon. With regular use, this simple mix may help ease the swings, providing a steady, gentle support for your body's natural rhythms. Relieves migraine discomfort. For those who experience migraines, finding natural relief can feel like a treasure. This combination of banana, honey, and cinnamon is believed to support blood flow and reduce inflammation, two factors that may alleviate the severity and frequency of migraines. Bananas contribute magnesium, which relaxes blood vessels, while honey's calming properties work to balance blood sugar, a factor known to trigger headaches. Cinnamon, with its anti-inflammatory benefits, adds an extra layer of comfort, soothing the body in a natural way. If you'd like to try it, prepare the blend by mashing a banana, mixing in a teaspoon of honey, and a dash of cinnamon. Enjoy it as a light morning or afternoon snack, and over time you might find that it provides gentle support, easing the discomfort when migraines arise. Boosts iron absorption. Iron is essential for energy and oxygen flow throughout the body, and sometimes, even if we're eating iron-rich foods, the body has difficulty absorbing it. That's where this blend shines. Bananas contain vitamin C, which aids in iron absorption, while honey has trace amounts of iron that gently supplement intake. Cinnamon stimulates circulation, encouraging the movement of nutrients throughout the body. Together, this mix can work as a supportive addition for those who are looking to boost their iron levels naturally. For an easy daily routine, have this blend in the morning before your main breakfast. Simply mash half a banana with a teaspoon of honey and a light sprinkle of cinnamon. It's a quick, easy way to support better nutrient absorption and feel more energized. Improves nutrient absorption. As we age, our body's ability to absorb nutrients may gradually decline. This combination of banana, honey, and cinnamon may assist in improving that absorption. Bananas aid in gut health, promoting a healthier digestive environment, while honey has enzymes that break down foods more effectively. Cinnamon, with its ability to stimulate circulation, can further ensure nutrients are transported where they're needed most. Think of this blend as a small step towards making the most of the foods you eat. Try it as a mid-morning or afternoon snack, mashing a banana with a spoonful of honey and a hint of cinnamon. Taken regularly, this blend may contribute to feeling more nourished, supporting your body's natural rhythm of receiving and using nutrients efficiently. Enhances electrolyte balance. Our body relies on a proper balance of electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium to keep muscles and nerves functioning well, especially as we grow older. Bananas are packed with potassium, honey has trace minerals, and cinnamon supports overall electrolyte balance by enhancing nutrient absorption. This blend acts like a gentle recharge, supporting hydration and helping muscles recover after a day of activity. If you're curious to give this a try, simply enjoy half a banana mixed with a teaspoon of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This combo is an ideal pre-bedtime snack to restore balance overnight, leaving you refreshed and energized by morning. Reduces risk of bone density loss. Bone health is a concern as we age, and every bit of support counts. Bananas provide manganese, an essential mineral for bone health, while honey and cinnamon are rich in antioxidants that combat the oxidative stress that can weaken bones. Together, this blend offers a steady source of support to help preserve bone density, which is especially helpful for those looking to maintain strength and mobility. To add this as part of a regular routine, enjoy the blend in the evening. Mash half a banana, add a touch of honey, and sprinkle a bit of cinnamon. With each spoonful, you're giving your body an extra boost to support strong, healthy bones naturally. Good for prostate health. Prostate health becomes a more common concern with age, and incorporating supportive foods can make a difference. Bananas contain compounds that help balance testosterone levels, which play a role in prostate health, while honey is antibacterial and may reduce inflammation, creating an environment that supports prostate wellness. Cinnamon further assists by promoting better blood circulation, which may help relieve pressure. If you or a loved one would like to try this, prepare the blend by mashing half a banana, mixing in a teaspoon of honey, and adding a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Incorporate it into your diet a few times a week for natural supportive care. Supports mental sharpness. Mental clarity and focus can sometimes feel like they're slipping with age, but the nutrients in this blend can help. Bananas offer vitamin B6, which supports neurotransmitter function, essential for memory and focus. Honey, with its natural sugars, provides a gentle energy boost without the crash, while cinnamon contains compounds that increase blood flow to the brain, helping maintain mental alertness and clarity. For a mindful snack, mash a banana with honey and a dash of cinnamon and enjoy it in the mid-morning. It's a delicious way to support brain health and may help you feel a bit more focused, alert, and ready to tackle whatever the day holds. Improves thyroid health. As we age, maintaining a well-functioning thyroid becomes crucial since it's responsible for regulating metabolism and energy levels. Bananas provide iodine and tyrosine, essential for thyroid hormone production, while honey and cinnamon support overall metabolism, helping keep thyroid function in balance. When combined, this mixture can gently encourage thyroid health without straining the body. To incorporate this into your routine, try enjoying this blend as a morning or evening snack. Mash half a banana, mix it with a teaspoon of honey, and sprinkle a bit of cinnamon. It's a small, enjoyable way to provide your thyroid with the support it needs. Relieves sore gums and supports oral health. Taking care of our gums is as important as caring for the rest of our body. Honey has natural antibacterial properties which can help soothe sore gums and fight bacteria in the mouth. Bananas, with their high mineral content, support healthy teeth, while cinnamon acts as a natural antimicrobial agent, helping to keep your mouth fresh and reduce inflammation. For a gentle boost to oral health, consider using a small amount of the banana-honey-cinnamon mixture. Simply massage it lightly onto your gums, let it sit for a moment, and rinse. It's a unique and gentle approach to gum care that can be done once a week. Boosts libido. Naturally, with age, energy levels can naturally dip, affecting many areas of life, including libido. Bananas are rich in potassium, which supports circulation and energy production, while honey contains boron, a mineral associated with hormone regulation. Cinnamon adds an extra touch by promoting good blood flow, all working together to support vitality and overall energy. For those who wish to explore this, a small serving of mashed banana with honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon can be enjoyed any time of day. It's a natural and delicious boost, offering benefits that extend to various areas of health. Promotes nerve health. Our nervous system relies on certain nutrients to maintain optimal function, and this blend offers a simple way to support that. Bananas are high in vitamin B6, which is essential for nerve health and communication between the brain and the body. Honey provides a gentle energy source, and cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe nerves. Altogether, these ingredients provide gentle support, helping calm and balance the nervous system. To incorporate this blend, prepare it in the afternoon or as a soothing snack. Mash a banana, add honey and a dash of cinnamon, and enjoy. It's a straightforward way to nourish your nerves, especially if you're feeling a bit on edge or need a midday reset. Who should approach this mixture with caution? If you're considering adding this blend of bananas, honey, and cinnamon to your routine, it's wise to keep a few things in mind. While it's a natural combination, those with specific health conditions may need to take extra caution. For example, if you have diabetes, the natural sugars in bananas and honey could affect your blood sugar levels. So it's best to enjoy this treat in moderation or consult a healthcare provider first. Similarly, if you're managing high blood pressure or are on blood-thinning medications, cinnamon can sometimes interact with these treatments, so it's better to err on the side of caution. Additionally, some people might be sensitive to cinnamon, particularly in larger amounts. This spice is potent and can be irritating if overused, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. If you've never tried this combination before, start small and see how your body responds. And if you're prone to allergies, especially to bee products like honey, consider swapping the honey for a bit of yogurt or skipping it altogether. This blend is intended as a gentle support to your daily health, but remember that moderation is key, just like with most good things. The benefits are most effective as part of a balanced lifestyle, so enjoy it thoughtfully. Sharing this tip with friends or family on WhatsApp could be a great way to spread these small but meaningful ways to support health naturally. Remember, sometimes the simplest remedies can make the biggest difference. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with friends and family on WhatsApp so they too can benefit from these wonderful tips. Here's to good health and caring for each other in the most natural way.